Okay, kids, come back. The break is over now. Come back, kids. All right. Now, kids, we are going to do our maths work. So get your mathematics copy. Everyone, get your mathematics copy. Come on. Yes. So in mathematics copy, first of all, you have to write down the date. Okay, 23/7/2021. All right. Mothers, kindly pay attention. Mothers, kindly pay attention. Yes. In your copies, in the set of your copies, just say one Hindi and one English. You have to name that copy English 2 and Hindi 2. Okay? One copy of English and one copy of Hindi. Hindi 2 line and one English 4 line. You have to write down the name English 2 and Hindi 2. Okay? All right? आपको इंग्लिश की एक कॉपी पर इंग्लिश 2 लिखना है एंड ऑन वन कॉपी ऑफ हिंदी यू हैव टू राइट हिंदी 2 कॉपी. ठीक है? Yes, yes, I know, Columbi. All right, everyone. Mothers, from the English set and Hindi set, आपके पास जितनी कॉपीज है 4 लाइन की या 2 लाइन की, उनमें से एक इंग्लिश कॉपी you have to write down the name English 2 and on one 2 line copy you have to write down the name Hindi 2. ठीक है? फिर whenever I ask to get Hindi 2 copy और English 2 copy, आपको वाली कॉपी यूज करनी है. ठीक है? Okay, so let's move further now. We'll do our maths work. First of all, you write down the date 23/7/2021. So in our previous class, we had learned about the number names 11 to 20. So today also we are going to revise it. Numbers from 11 to 20. Okay? So, kids, again I'm telling you, you have to first read it and then write. Okay? आपको पहले read करना है and then लिखना है. So, 11. So what is the spelling of 11? E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Read it. 2 times read karo, twice. Read it twice and then write. First of all, read the spelling twice and write it. Come on, say it, ma'am. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Read and write. Prajwal, what are you doing, Prajwal? Why you are not writing? Say and write. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Then next is 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. E, 12. TWELVE. Read it twice, thrice and then write it. उसको 2-3 times read करो, फिर आपको लिखना है. Then number 13. Yes. THIR. और मैम ने आपको क्या बताया था? In all the numbers of teen numbers, जिसमें भी teen आ रहा है, we have to write TEEN. 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 13. ये जो teen है TEEN, that will come in each number जिसमें teen आ रहा है. 13, 14, 15. THIRTEEN. 13. Then 14. 4 की स्पेलिंग लिखेंगे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. FOUR. 4. And what is the spelling of teen? TEEN. 14. FOUR. 4. TEEN. Teen. 14. FOUR. 4. TEEN. Teen. 14. Then 15. FIF. 5th. And TEEN. Teen. 15. FIF. TEEN. Teen. 15. Mothers, you kindly let me know how many total 4-line copies you are having in your copy set. How many total 4-line copies you are having? Mothers, you kindly let me know. All right. Okay, ma'am. 2 copies of 4-line. All right. Write down. 4 copies. All right. So 4 copies are there, no? 4 line. So 2 copies तो आप English के लिए रहने दीजिए. And out of that 1 copy you have to keep for English too. ठीक है? 2 copies for English and 1 copy for English too. And the another one is for GK. Okay? Now, after 15, 16. First of all, we have to write the spelling of 6, S-I-X 6, and T-E-E-N, teen, 16. S-I-X 6, T-E-E-N, teen, 16. Then 17. So, in the same way, you have to write first of all the spelling of 7 and then write down the spelling of teen. S-E-V-E-N 7 and T-E-E-N teen 17. S-E-V-E-N 7 and T-E-E-N teen 17. Then 18. 16 and 17. So kids, read it and write it. Read it and then write it. Then 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. Read the spelling and then write. Then 19. So, what is the spelling of 9? N-I-N-E. 9. And then you write the spelling of teen. T-E-E-N. Teen. 19. N-I-N-E. 9. T-E-E-N. Teen. 19. N-I-N-E. 9. T-E-E-N. Teen. 19. Then 20. 20. So, what's the number spelling of 20? T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. TWENTY. 20. TWENTY. 20. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Kindly unmute. Unmute. It's not getting unmuted. Well, wait.
Good morning, kids. How are you all? Say, I'm fine. Yes. So, what we will do today? We will do the rhyme on picnic. हम पिकनिक पे क्या करेंगे? राइम आप लोगों ने कर रखी है ना इन हिंदी. Yes. तो आज हम उसको रिवाइज करेंगे. We will revise it today. So, you all have to sing along with the ma'am. Okay. आओ बच्चों पिकनिक जाएं. Sing. आओ बच्चों पिकनिक जाएं. सैर सपाटा तुम्हें कराएं. मेट्रो ट्रेन में बैठकर दिल्ली शहर तुम्हें दिखाएं. खेले कूदे खूब मजे से. नहीं गंदगी कहीं फैलाएं. आप लोगों ने कर रखी है ना ये? You have done this already? Yes. So we will repeat it. Okay. Sing along with the ma'am. You have to sing along with the ma'am. Okay, with the actions. आओ बच्चों पिकनिक जाएं. सैर सपाटा तुम्हें कराएं. मेट्रो ट्रेन में बैठाकर दिल्ली शहर तुम्हें दिखाएं. खेले कूदे खूब मजे से. नहीं गंदगी कहीं फैलाएं. Yes. So we will repeat it again and for the last time. Okay. आओ बच्चों पिकनिक जाएं. सैर सपाटा तुम्हें कराएं. मेट्रो ट्रेन में बैठकर दिल्ली शहर तुम्हें दिखाएं. खेले कूदे खूब मजे से. नहीं गंदगी कहीं फैलाएं. Very good all of you. Very good Sarthak, very good of you. You have done so well. So you have to learn this rhyme and revise this rhyme again and again.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. All right, kids. Now, come on. Yesterday, आपकी हिंदी कॉपी चेक नहीं हुई थी, तो come on, get your हिंदी copy and kindly show me. Go and get your Hindi copy and show me. Yesterday, due to some network issue, I was not able to check the copies. So today, go and get your copies and show me.